The All Properties view in Haletale has received a complete makeover to help property managers understand each property at a glance. We've refreshed the layout with a cleaner, more modern design. Menu items now display without distracting divider lines, giving you a clearer workspace. To support better multitasking, applications, maintenance, and tasks now open in new tabs instead of replacing your current view. This means you can approve applications, assign maintenance, and check tasks without losing your place on the All Properties page. We've also introduced attractive default images for different property types, including buildings, residential units, commercial properties, storage spaces, and campsites, creating a visually organized dashboard. Plus, you'll now get more actionable insights directly from the Properties page. The new Property Details Modal lets you instantly view current renters and co-applicants, while the Financial Overview card allows you to see income and expenses for any date range with no extra navigation.